What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove your iPhone's screen lock passcode. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, grab your iPhone and unlock it to see your home screen. From here, you need to find your Settings app. This app looks like a gear and is usually found on your home screen or in an app folder. Tap on it to open your settings. Once you're in Settings, you want to scroll down a bit. You're looking for an option that says Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode. It depends on what model iPhone you have. Now, your iPhone will ask you for your current passcode. This is the code you're using right now to unlock your iPhone. Go ahead and enter it. After you enter your passcode, you'll be in the Face ID and Passcode settings. Here, you'll need to scroll down until you find the option that says Turn Passcode Off. It's usually towards the bottom, so keep scrolling until you see it. Tap on Turn Passcode Off. Your iPhone will ask you for your passcode again. This is just to make sure it's really you making these changes. Enter your passcode one more time. Once you've done that, your iPhone will no longer ask you for a passcode when you wake it up. It's important to note that by removing your passcode, you're making your iPhone less secure, so make sure this is what you want to do. If you ever change your mind and want to put a passcode back on your iPhone, just go back to the same settings. This time, you'll see Turn Passcode On. Tap on it and you'll be asked to create a new passcode. Remember, you'll have to enter the new passcode twice to confirm it. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.